guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Tuesday, right? Barira. So my table is faulty, and it has been faulty since they brought it here because of the way they transported it from where I got it. It's not the people that did its fault, it is the transportation fault, because they delivered it to my father's house and I went to pick it up. So that picking up, that was the fault, because it was too, I think it was too big for the, by the way, I leave my tripod in. It was too big for the boot, so they kind of forced the leg, because the legs are not like this, they're like this, the front part, both of them. So they had to like bend it, and one of it is kind of faulty. I'm going to attach a video of the way it looks. So now I've called it is getting out of hand. I'm scared to put my laptop or anything valuable on it or in it. So I've called carpenter to come and fix it for me. So he said if he's to fix it at no cost, like at the cost but like very minimal price, it's going to be 5k. He's going to use glue. He's going to leave it alone. He's going to remove the nail or something and there's a particular glue they will put, or he removes it, put another one. I think for everything 15k. I don't have 15k, so I'm going to go with 5k. I pledged with him 4k, 5. We were going back and forth. The man said 5k alaja. So I called him this morning to come and do it, and he said he's going to have to take it with him to his workplace. So now I need to offload everything from my drawer and find somewhere to put it. I've not thought about that. I need a bag. Have you been in a nylon on? I'll just everything in nylon. So that's what I want to do now. Let's start it. I'm going to put it inside this bag. What do you call this bag? Do you call it bago bag, or baco's bag? Because I call it baco's bag, and everybody say, "Oh, baco bag." I'm like, it's not bacos. What are you saying, bago? I mean, bago bag. Anyways, hi. First thing first, my chargers. Does this 89 charge to this, my other power bank, my color for change. This color is for change. The other one you saw a couple of blocks away is for bigger money. Don't leave it alone, Bariro. She's not gonna hear. Like in my house, if my father talk to you with his eyes, they don't burn you well to still be doing what he's looking at you to stop doing. I'm done, and let's wait for the man to come and pick the table up. I really hope it works, because that's really like faulty, so I think it should work. Anyways, I'm gonna cook indomie. So indomie it is. If you're hungry, we're going to take cereal, but this is going to go right, right? Yeah, approved. Hi guys, I have a program to go to by 4. This is 3:25. I'm ready. My daughter is not ready, but as you can see from my eyes, I am very tired. Like I am 100% tired. Like I'm exhausted. I want to sleep. I cannot sleep because my daughter is playing like she's energetic. So there's no how I can sleep, because I have to put my eyes on her, so that you get toddlers now, they can play and unplay. The guy that came to take the table, he has come to take it. He said he's going to bring it before I leave, but I don't know. When I tried to call him, he was not picking. I was trying to tell him I should send it before 4, because I'm leaving the house before 4, so that it's not like he will not meet me or something. But He was not picking his call, and now my network is like 0. Nothing is showing. So I don't know. This is my. I want to put on my jewelries. It just ring. This one, go here. My reading band. I'm tired because I'm thinking about having to carry barrier and all of that, and just going out. It stresses me out. Plus the fact that I've not been able to rest properly, and I don't want to go and be sleeping in the program. Do you get? That's just my concern. See you guys later. So I'm ready. Baby is ready. Hijab is in the bag. She was removing it, and I don't want her to go and remove it while outside, and I will not know that okay, she has removed it. So it's better inside the bag, and when I get to the place I can wear it for her or something. And yeah. The guy has not called. He cannot even call. My service is still very no bars or anything. I can't even go online or call anybody. So let me just be going. Hopefully I did not sleep. See you guys later. Bye. I'm so tired. Guys, tell me why I've been outside for more than 10 minutes trying to withdraw, and my network is very bad. But thank God the person that I usually withdraw from knows me and all of that. So she said she'll give me the money, and when my network is fine, I should transfer it to her. If not, I'm going to be going back home because I don't have any cash with me. This is so frustrating. I'm waiting for bike. I've collected the money. Thank God though, it's good to be good. Alright. Bike. I better not wait for bike. Yeah, bye bye. So my table is back and it has been fixed. Yeah, I want to create content. So I want to create content right now for Safir. It's for a job Desha, but Kotsi Safir. And when you see the video, engage. My husband is calling me. I'm going to see you guys later. I just finished praying in Shai, and I want to pray Tauba and also Victor. Then make a video. I want to rant. I really want to. I just want to rant. I'm kind of sad, so I want to rant. So I don't know if I'll upload the video, but I think I would. So if you see it, So I'm going for MSSM program. I'll see you guys later. It's like Uzura. Do you get? Let's take pictures. Let's go. Bye. So I'm waiting for bike, and this usually happens. So I think I might have to walk out. So I'm waiting. I think I should do that. One way or the other, I'll see bike. Bye. Are you comfortable? Bismillah. Tawakkaltu ala Allah. La hawla wala quwwata illa billah. This is so weird. People will be looking at me weird too. I'm going to stop this and see you guys later.